what we are most focused on is engagement and context, and how we can peel back layers of what people read and why. What do they really care about? So what we've been doing with Demo, our initiative, is take some of the tools and data that we use for personalization or that we use in the newsroom to explore stories and turn them into products for marketers. One of our recent ones we've called Project Feels, and in this instance we built a data set of how people respond emotionally to stories. So we asked thousands of readers to read thousands of articles and then said for each one, how did this make you feel? And based on that data, our machine learning, our data scientists built a machine learning algorithm so that now we can look at any piece of content and predict a range or an array of emotions that readers may feel. So we are using that now for advertising.
So how did you get that feedback on the emotional response?
It was crowdsourced. So basically put out a call and we're able to get thousands of people to respond. What it means is that data is all voluntary and it's all anonymous. So we feel very confident in how we're respecting privacy and using that data. And then what the predictions are based on is machine learning. So it's really coupling the expertise our data scientists have with this data to then transform into something new. We built a product, we call it perspective targeting. It's a line item in DFP, and it allows a marketer to say, I want my media to run next to content we think will evoke one of a handful of emotions, like self-confident or inspired. So you can imagine a brand that has a really positive message for young women or for a particular consumer set choosing self-confidence. And their media is going to run against content that we've predicted will make readers feel self-confident or evoke that within them. Data is behind pretty much everything we do now. We use qualitative data, which it doesn't always get a lot of airtime, but we talk to users, we talk to customers, we talk to marketers to understand what they care about. We have first-party data. We have all of the data around our site of what people read and how, what makes them turn the next page and which types of segments read which types of content. And then I think what's interesting about the Project Feels example is we can generate our own data too if we know which question we want to ask and what we want to answer. We can go out and we can source that data and use that to build models as well.